Pre-K, I want to read to you a book called A Second is a Hiccup. And the second we're talking about here is the second in time. Remember, it goes a second, which is about as quick as it takes to say that word. Then what's next? A minute, and then the hour. Correct. So a second is a hiccup. I will do my best to read the story. You know, normally I like to hold the book and read, but I will read and then show pictures. How long is a second? A second is a hiccup. The time it takes to kiss your mom, or jump a rope, or turn around. How long is a minute? 60 seconds to a minute, 60 hiccups, 60 hops. Or if you can sing just one small song, the chorus and the verses, but not too long, that's enough to fill a minute. How long is an hour? 60 minutes singing by. If you build a sandy tower, run right through a sprinkly shower, climb a tree and smell a flower, pretend you have a secret power, that could fill an hour. How long is a day? 24 hours by the clock, starting when the sun comes up. A day needs filling like a cup. Hiccups, kisses, songs, and showers. Lots of trees and lots of flowers. Breakfast, lunch, snack, and dinner. Play some games and cheer the winner. Draw a picture, read a book. Tell a joke and learn to cook. Watch the sun fade away and then fall asleep. Now that's a day. How long is a week? Remember, there's 7 days in a week? 7 days all in a line. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and the end day, Saturday. A favorite one. Some are quiet and some are fun. Work days, home days, play days, school days. 7 wake-ups, 7 sleeps. Close your eyes, do not peek. But you'd never, ever, ever stay asleep for one whole week. How long is a month? 4 weeks add up to form a month. Lots of time for things to change. Seasons often rearrange. Winter melts and warms to spring. Caterpillars find their wings. And if you fall and scrape your skin, in a month, there's brand new skin. Learn to tie your laces tight. Learn to float, relaxed and light. Learn to count, clean up to 10, and learn to count back down again. Watch the moon grow round and fat, then thin again. Imagine that. And all of it in 1 month flat. What's going to come next, boys and girls? We've done second, minute, hour, day, week, month, year. How long is a year? 12 months together make a year. A great big circle spinning round. Climb aboard, you're 1 year bound. You'll grow right out of your old shoes, and taller too, but that's good news. Sunshine, snow, rain, and squall, winter, spring, summer, fall. Twigs on trees grow leaves and peaches. See how far the whole year reaches. Tiny babies learn to walk. Bigger babies learn to talk. Holidays of every kind linked together in a line. When your birthday's almost here, you are older by the year. Changes come and changes go. Round and round the years you'll grow. Till you're bigger, till you're bolder, till you're ever so much older. What grade will you be in next year, pre-K? Kindergarten, that's right. And through all the hours and days, as time unfolds in all its ways, you will be loved as surely as a second is a hiccup. Have a good day, pre-K.